This is a BMW E46 2003 model. The front strut replacement, okay? Because the sway bar link is so rusty, and the OEM one was a wrong one in the back. So you try to lose the nuts, it's very difficult. So sort it off and remove it, okay? So when you buy the new one, by this kind, it's easier for you to remove later on. This, you can use an 18 wrench to hold it, to lose the bolt. Quick and easy, all right? Then, also this comes with the nipple for the grease. So I actually give it a little bit more just in case it come in dry, all right? To remove and put it on the strut, basically you remove the bottom of the strut. This is 18 millimeter. Remove this one and also the sway bar link, okay? Basically it's this one and that right there, okay? The rest of it, like you don't have to move anything. Some other car, you gotta remove the axle. So the rotor, you can pull it out. No, this one, you don't, okay? Basically, it's very straightforward. After remove this bottom part, 18 millimeter and 18 millimeter, the sway bar, you go up to the top. And make sure you tap a little bit, so it drop down a little bit. So when you remove this 3 bolt holding the strut on top, 13 millimeter. It's a quick, easy job, all right? Once you, and also this car, you have to remove the stabilizing bar on the top of the engine bar, okay? So you remove this, install is the same way. You put up the strut first, tighten up the top, okay? Then you push it up. Use a floor jack. From the bottom here, push up the lower control arm. Then just squeeze it into the bottom of the strut. That's it. That's how you do the replacing the strut of this BMW E46. Okay, nothing fancy. Straightforward. So, hopefully you enjoyed this explanation. Thank you.